Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Cash App account security with in-app notifications. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Cash App account security, start by launching the Cash App on your mobile device. Once the app is open, sign in to your account if prompted. Look for the profile icon at the top right corner of the home screen. Tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. Scroll down to find the section labeled Security. Here, you'll see various options related to account security. Select Security to explore the available settings. Enable notifications to receive real-time updates on your account activity. Tap on Notifications to configure your preferences. Make sure that push notifications are turned on for important alerts. You can also adjust the settings to receive notifications for transactions, login attempts, and more. After configuring your notification preferences, ensure that your contact information is up to date. Navigate back to the profile section to verify your phone number and email address. If everything is correct, your account will be more secure with timely updates. To further enhance your security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. Return to the security settings and select the option for two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to link your phone number or email for verification codes. Once set up, you'll receive an additional layer of security for login attempts. Finally, review your recent transactions to ensure there are no unauthorized activities. By following these steps, you can verify your Cash App account security using in-app notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.